Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic CorelDraw tutorial how to remove background. So as example I will import an image. So I will use this image and click import. You can attach in your canvas. Now I will remove the background and I will set for the box. You can use these shape tools. Okay, you can select the image and then I will click from this point, move into here like this. Click again from this point to create the vertex. You can double click on the line. Like I will click at this point, double click, and then move into here. Double click again, and then you can move vertex into here. I will create again at this point, and then you can connect into here. Double click to create vertex. Okay, double click again in here, and double click to create into this point. After it, I will create in this point. The next, you can move from this point into corner. And you can choose the speak tools and we already remove the background. Okay, that's it for basic CorelDraw tutorial, how to remove background. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.